Guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you have not heard yet, Sephora Play is being discontinued, which is surprising but also not surprising. It's surprising because I feel like that was the best subscription service box out there for like mini sample sized things. It's not surprising because I just feel like people aren't really doing the subscription service thing anymore. I mean, I could be wrong, right? I'm probably wrong, but I don't know. I know that I personally don't love the monthly subscription services of like little tiny things that are a surprise. I don't know. Tell me how you guys feel down below. But regardless of our thoughts about what's going on with Sephora Play, they did decide they were going to stop doing the Sephora Play subscription service. Now they have these new like special limited edition Sephora favorites boxes. So I'm reading right off of the Sephora Q&A and it says, when is the last Play box by Sephora? April 2020. We're looking forward to introducing new and exciting ways for our clients to discover brands within the growing Sephora favorites category. What are you replacing Play by Sephora with? We are expanding the Sephora favorites kit program with additional ways to discover brands that fit your needs. Okay. So Sephora Favorites Luxe Box is our first new launch of the program, available April 28th on Sephora.com for $25. Will Sephora ever bring back another box subscription service? We do not have any plans at this time to launch another subscription program. One of the questions is, why are you launching a new favorites kit in the middle of coronavirus? There's a whole bunch of questions and answers about the whole Sephora Play situation that I can link down below for you guys if you're curious, but it kind of sounds like these boxes will be monthly. This says the April 2020 Luxe box on the back. I haven't opened it yet, however, they do tell you what's in the box before you buy it. This was $25. I don't know if they're all gonna be $25. I think we'll just kind of like learn as we go, but I thought we can go ahead and unbox this together, see what's inside, see if it's worth $25. I did buy this during the Sephora VIB Rouge sale, so I did get 20% off of the $25, but obviously that sale isn't going to be happening every time there's one of these boxes. Right, so, ooh, you fancy, it says on here. And then it looks like on the back they do tell you a little bit about each of the products inside. So just like a subscription box. Here's what it looks like. Let's go through each of the products individually. So the first thing I'm seeing in here is a 0.24 fluid ounce Flower Bomb perfume. I do really like the smell of Flower Bomb. I've had a full-size bottle before. I have never repurchased it. This is so cute. It's little. I think it's gonna have, yeah, a dropper, which is fine. I do prefer my perfumes to have like a little spray top on them, but sometimes that's just not possible. This is really cute. The next thing in here is the Sluwasu. I'm definitely not saying that correctly. First Care Activating Serum. So it's a little teeny bottle. It's 0.27 fluid ounces. Itty bitty. Oh my God, it's so cute. I like how these bottles look like the full-size bottles, but they're just little, like, I don't know, something about that. Okay, this does have a little pump on it. That's kind of cool. I actually haven't heard much about this brand before. I know it's sold at Sephora and I have seen it here and there, but I just don't feel like it's talked about very much. All I can smell is the perfume I just put on, but it feels nice. It says that this serum improves major signs of aging while boosting your routine, featuring JAUM Balancing Complex, a cocktail of 5 Korean herbs that soothe, nourish, and firm for a healthy glow. Okay, next thing in here is by Giorgio Armani. It is looks like a lipstick. It's a bright red color. Another one that looks like a little miniature version of the full size. I think that's kind of cute that they do that. Bright red, that's for sure. That is like cherry, like 4th of July red. It's pretty. I feel like you don't need a huge red lipstick unless you're a huge red lipstick fan and you wear it all the time, but otherwise red lipstick is definitely one of those things you only wear here and there, and a little thing is probably the perfect size. Okay, the next thing in here is by Kerastase. This is the Length Caring Gel Cream, Blow Dry Care. Okay, so it's a blow dry cream. You must put it on before you blow dry, I guess. It just says blow dry care for healthy looking lengths. There isn't like directions on it. I assume it's something you put in before you blow dry. I've never used anything by Kerastase before, so if you guys have, let me know. This one, by the way, is 1 ounce, so a decent size. You could probably get a few uses out of that. Next thing in here is the Guerlain La Or Radiance Concentrate with Pure Makeup Base. Okay, Pure Gold makeup base. I actually have a full-size version of this, and I've gone through a full-size version of this before, like the big bottle. It's so expensive. I know that Tati here on YouTube kind of like raved about it for a while, so it was really, really popular at one point. I actually had bought it myself, and then I received it in PR, so I had 2 bottles at one point. But it is a really good primer. Look at how it's fancy. It is glass, and it's on a pump, which is nice. So I guess the whole point of this primer is it's supposed to be kind of firming. It is good. It's probably one, okay, it's not coming out very easily. Okay, that took a while to get that pump going. It is a really good primer. I don't know that I necessarily saw any like firming elements to it, but I haven't used it in a very, very long time. So it's worth a shot to try again. That smells really strongly of like flowers and like shower, like clean. Okay, the last thing in here is by La Mer. Ooh, the Moisturizing Soft Cream. I wonder if this is their moisturizer. I was just talking on my Instagram about how La Mer is just one of those brands that is just way out of my price range. It always has been. I feel like it always will be unless I like win the lottery or make a ton of money somehow. But it's a really nice, very luxe brand. I guess it fits the box well. Yeah, I think this is the moisturizer. There isn't like instructions or anything. It did come with a little paper that I suppose I could read if I really wanted to. It smells really nice. I would actually really like to use this on my face, but I'm afraid I'm gonna fall in love with it and then like have to buy the full size. Okay, so do I think that this box is worth $25? I actually do. These are very luxe brands, and I know something like the La Mer sells for over $100 full size. I know this Guerlain is right around $100 full size. Viktor and Rolf is right around $100 full size. So these are really expensive luxe brands. I think it's nice that you get a combination of fragrance, hair care, skincare, makeup. Like you get a little bit of everything, which I think is pretty cool. I don't know if every box is gonna be like that, but the good thing about this is you can see what's in the box before you buy it. So you can kind of determine like, well, do I think it's worth it before you even purchase it? The bad thing about things like this is you do have to snag it before it sells out. I know this one sold out fairly quickly. I am really excited about pretty much all the products in this box. So let me know what your thoughts are down below. Will you be picking up this Sephora box? Not this one, but you know, the new Sephora Play. Will you be picking it up? Yeah, let me know your thoughts down below, and I'll talk to you next time. Mwah!